Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this project. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic spudger or prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Make sure to work in a clean, dry environment to avoid losing any small components. First, shut down your MSI Prestige 15 and disconnect all external devices. Remove the power adapter and any connected peripherals. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the bottom panel. Using your precision screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now, with the bottom panel removed, locate the keyboard assembly. You will see several screws that hold it in place. Carefully unscrew these, keeping track of where each screw belongs. It's important to note that some screws may vary in length, so organizing them can save time during reassembly. Before removing the keyboard, it's advisable to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This not only improves performance but also helps in maintaining the longevity of your laptop. Once cleaned, gently lift the keyboard assembly from the laptop, being cautious of any ribbon cables connected to the motherboard. If you're hesitant about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure your device is handled correctly. Carefully disconnect the ribbon cables by lifting the locking tabs on the connectors. Set the old keyboard shell aside. Now, take the new keyboard shell and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Secure the ribbon cables by pressing the locking tabs back into place. Next, reattach the keyboard assembly to the laptop frame. Screw it back in using the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is secure but avoid over-tightening to prevent any damage. Now, before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to test the new keyboard shell. Reconnect the power and boot up your laptop to check that everything functions as expected. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenience, meaning no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. If all is well, proceed to reattach the bottom panel. Align it correctly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the keyboard shell on your MSI Prestige 15. If you enjoyed this tutorial, consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. And remember, if you need assistance or a quote before repair, we're just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.